You shall chase your enemies, and they shall fall before you by the sword. 5 of you shall chase 100, and 100 of you shall chase 10,000, and your enemy shall fall before you by the sword. It doesn't matter what you have and whether your enemies looked outnumbered. Maybe you have a bunch of things going on and you're saying to yourself, I don't have the resources for this, but God will renew your strength so you'll mount up on wings like eagles. You shall run and not grow weary. Run, you'll not grow faint. Not quoting it right, but I'm telling you, the Lord is going to strengthen you to defeat all odds. All odds. And it's going to be beautiful. I will turn to you and make you fruitful and multiply, and will confirm my covenant with you. Maybe some of you are unable to have children, and the Lord is going to bless you. He's going to make you fruitful and multiply, whether that's in your good works, whether that's in children, whatever it is your heart desires. There's a reason it is in there, and He is going to harvest it. He is going to harvest it, and there's going to be no doubt that it is the Lord.